Guys, today is goat day, and we're gonna eat some goat. Alright guys, today I'm heading up to meet up with a couple friends of mine from YouTube. I'm actually going to meet them up on what's called Goat Road. I was up there a couple months ago with a couple other YouTubers and didn't do any filming up there, so this time I figured I'd bring my camera along and you guys can check out Goat Road. And the reason it's called Goat Road is there's a couple restaurants up there that serve goat. So that's where we're heading today, and yeah, that's what's going on. Guys, if you ever checked out a TV show with Anthony Bourdain, he actually did a show one time on the Philippines, and he actually came up here on the Goat Road and actually sat eating goat where we're going to be meeting up today. You guys, Goat Road is right across from Astro Park. You guys remember me doing the video about Astro Park? All right, over here is Astro Park. And Goat Road is right across from Astro Park. Alright guys, right across the street here is what they call Goat Row. So yeah, check it out. Cool. Alright guys, so we're here, and I told you I was meeting up with a couple guys from YouTube, friends of mine. The first guy, good friend, you've seen in my videos. I've been in his videos, we hang out together. Good friend of mine, Tuk Cali.
Hello guys, and hi Kuya Seth at Rose back in Arizona.
So
he
needs no introduction. Okay. Now, this next guy, he just arrived here. He's been here coming off and on for years now. Never got together until today, but I got some words for this guy to describe him. All right, how to write it down so I don't forget. All right. This man, he bows over hand. He dices onions, don't make him cry, it only makes him stronger. He has crossed the point of no return on several occasions. He has won a Lifetime Achievement Award twice. 2 countries went to war to dispute his nationality. He lives vicariously through himself. He once had an awkward moment just to see how it felt. He is left-handed and right-handed. The police often question him just because they find him interesting. Mosquitoes refuse to bite him purely out of respect. If he were to punch you in the face, you would have to fight the urge to thank him. Right? Panhandlers give him money. His passport requires no photograph. He is the life of the party, even when he's not attending. He once challenged his own reflection to a staring contest on the 3rd day he won. He won trophies for his game face only. His mother has a tattoo that says son. His reputation is expanding faster than the universe. At first, he does not, if at first he does not succeed, then it's impossible. Some say he found a fountain of youth, but he refused to drink because he wasn't thirsty. Ladies and gentlemen, the one, the only, the man, the myth, the legend in his own mind, the showstopper, the game challenger. Let me introduce to you the one style, the only style, Sez Style.
What's up, guys? Hey, I have to say, that was the best introduction I've ever had. Am I allowed to cuss on your channel? I really wanted to.
Yeah, you can cuss. Yeah.
That was the best fucking introduction I've ever had. I actually almost shed a tear. But in reality, I am not interesting. I am actually extremely boring. I'm sitting here drinking a beer and I'm not doing anything exciting. But thank you for that. That was awesome.
Thank you, Seth.
Yeah.
All right, guys, food has arrived, and it's. Why don't you tell them what you're eating there, Seth?
So I'm eating Goattyle, which I actually think has feces in it. Literally, I think it does. And goat caldereta and some rice, and of course, some San Miguel.
There it is, guys.